Hey guys, I wanted to do just a quick reveal and unboxing of my new Chanel sunglasses. I actually don't own any Chanel sunglasses. I never have. I have wanted a pair for a while now, and I've seen several pairs over the years that I really liked, and I almost bought, but for whatever reason I didn't. I don't know if it's because they are very expensive, and maybe at the time I was in one of my frugal modes. Like I go through like periods where I'll be very, very strict and frugal and not spend money on things. And then I'll go through a period like I'm in now where I don't know, I just throw my wallet out the window. I don't know what the hell's going on. I need to chill out though. This has to be my last purchase for a while, although I do want a Chanel wallet. But anyways, I have never purchased from Bergdorf Goodman before. I looked for these in the Chanel store because I wanted the Chanel shopping bag, but they did not have them at the 57th Street store, and it's way too cold out to go down to Soho today. But Bergdorf's was right there and right by the train station, and they had one pair. In fact, they didn't even have them out on display. They had a different version of these out. This line just came out. I don't know when, but very recently. And I asked her if they had this, and at first I was told no, and then they did find a pair that was wrapped up and hadn't been touched or opened yet. So I got the last one there, and there aren't any at the Chanel on 57th Street, so I don't know. But this is a true unboxing because I just got home, and let's see what I got. Nothing fancy at Bergdorf's, just this box, or this bag. I don't really care. I care more about these and the packaging. Like I said, this is my first pair of Chanel sunglasses. This box is very sturdy and nice. I like this. Oh, I love this case. I've seen these online, but not in person. And I love that this looks like it is a ruthenium CC right there. Everyone knows that I hate gold. So I love the fact that the case does not have gold on it. I love silver hardware, ruthenium hardware, black hardware. I don't like gold. But before we look at the sunglasses, let's see what else I have in here. It looks like I have a dust bag. And it's really nice inside. It's like silk lined. It's pretty thick. This is like a textured cloth. It's not particularly soft, so at first I was like, wait, what? But the inside is very soft and like silky, so I assume I can clean them with this. It does say Chanel right there, and this is pretty thick and substantial, so this is really nice. Let's see what else I have in here. It looks like it's a booklet, a very long booklet. I'm assuming it just has like care instructions in different languages. Yep, it's just like manufacturer note, or it said. I think I just saw how to use your sunglasses. Wear them? Put them on your face? Anyways, so there's just like information and all that stuff. I don't believe there's a... It looks like there was a slot here. I don't know if there was supposed to be... Can you see that? I don't know if there's supposed to be some kind of authenticity card there. Honestly, I really don't care. But if there was, okay, oh well. Let's get on to the sunnies. This feels very heavy. Oh, this is nice. Oh, there's a cleaning cloth in here too. This is really nice. So these are them, but let's get to this. So this says made in Italy down there, and this is like a velvet felt interior. This case is really nice and substantial, and it has Chanel embossed in the felt or suede or whatever that's called there. And then it came with this cleaning cloth, which I do use for my sunglasses when I get them. And it says Chanel right there. And it's just, you know, like the really microfiber, like really soft cleaning cloth. So here are the sunnies. Of course, they are a squared off cat eye, which is my favorite shape. And of course, they're black. And everyone knows I love black and silver. Look how cool that is. It's the boy bag, like the lock mechanism in silver. And they do have a slight reflection to them, like they're slightly mirrored, not too crazy mirrored, but I like how they're a squared off cat eye. That is my favorite shape, kind of like the ones that go up, almost like a butterfly shape. I actually don't know the name of these, but another reason why I got these, and I would have paid more, is the price point wasn't that bad considering some of the other Chanel sunglasses I've almost bought in over the years. These were only $350. Now, I know that is a lot of money, and it's a lot for a pair of sunglasses, especially plastic sunglasses. But for Chanel, that's actually not bad. I mean, I loved these anyways, and I would have bought them at a higher price point. 500 I might not have, but like for something I probably would have, because I just love these. I love the black and silver, and I love the shape. But $350, I was very, very pleased with these. So this is what they look like on me. I think this is, let me get close. I think this is the perfect shape and size for my face. This is the kind of sunglasses that I wear. I have a very similar pair of Dolce & Gabbana's, similar shape. I actually own 3 of those because I scratched the first one to where you couldn't wear them. And then I got a second pair, and then those got a little damaged, and then I got a third pair, which I still haven't used yet because I'm keeping them nice. But anyways, I should do a sunglass collection video at some point because I do love accessories, and I have quite a few of them. This is the tag, if anyone's looking for them. They just came out. I don't know if that's going to focus. Anyways, they just came out. It's Chanel. It says 5313, made in Italy, and they have like Chanel embossed in the upper. See that kind of up here on both sides? The word Chanel is embossed or like engraved into the sunglasses. So once again, this is what they look like on me, and I do love to wear my sunglasses like this. And it passed the headband test. I think these look cute like this too. My hair is all messy. But anyways, these are my new sunnies. I hope you like this reveal, and I'm obsessed with these. I think they're great. Thanks for watching, guys. I have another video coming up soon.